All back to my channel once again. Another day of exploring the city. This is a special day. We're going for an event. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates of all my videos. So we are going for the MRF motocross. Today is Sunday, the 5th November. The time right now it's 10:30 in the morning. And the race is supposed to already have started. We might have missed a couple of Group D races, and we got an invite to go for this event happening opposite to the Mall of Asia near Jakkur on the new airport road. So stay tuned as we as we drive to the MRF Supercross. So we are here at the entrance. This is the MRF motor race. This is on Batranpura. So we are here. All of us here at the race. So also follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet. I'm a Facebook fan, so also Djmahaneet. That's the race concluded right now. Small crash. One of the kids' class. Another race is also starting. I think this is the open class. So this is at the MRF Moto and Supercross happening here at Jakkur. Hope you are liking this entire video. That's the open class. So hope you like this vlog of mine of MRF Motocross Supercross here at Batanpura, opposite to the Mall of Asia. That's it for today. Hit the subscribe button, also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates of all the videos. Don't forget to follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet and my Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. Stay tuned until the next one. It's Sayonara, adios, and it's goodbye. Thank you for watching.